I'm currently signed in as one user, and if I'm taking a look at a different user's profile page and attempt to add a comment, I'll be given an error saying handle add comment is not a function. This is because on our profile page we haven't brought over all of the functionality that we introduced in our post feed. So from post feed we can grab first the ability to delete posts with handle delete post, handle toggle like, handle add comment, and handle delete comment. We can copy all of those functions. Then we can head to our profile page and we can paste them in above render. And each of these functions is going to need all of the appropriate requests. So we'll head back to post feed, and up at the top we'll grab everything except add post and get post feed, and we'll import delete post, like post, unlike post, add comment, and delete comment from our API file. Then at the bottom of post feed we can copy our post component, head to profile, and replace profile tabs with it with a few changes. Of course, we'll change it back to profile tabs. We won't need a key. The post prop will be posts, and we'll make sure to add is deleting post to state and destructure it in render. Then we can head to profile tabs, and within its render we're going to need to destructure the props that we want to pass down to post, and we can replace this post component with the one that we copied and change all of our function calls, all of our functions, from this to names that aren't prefixed. And then we can go to the post component, and in its render where props are being destructured we can grab all four functions that we're passing down, as well as the one state value. We can add to profile tabs and just add them to our props destructuring statement. So then we can save and head back to profile. And now if we try to like a post, we can do so. We can toggle like, we can add a comment, we can delete our comment, and if we've created a post, on our profile page we can delete our own posts.